What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. We made it to 400 subscribers. Yay! Thank you guys so much for your support. And in this video, I just want to share with you guys a makeup tutorial that I did while on live on Instagram with Thokozile. It was so much fun, you guys, and I was like, I can actually do this, like do my makeup while talking. So maybe we're gonna just get into that, you know what I mean, like film with more talks and everything. So if you've been here for a while, then you have seen me use my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop full coverage foundation in the color Cocoa and L'Oreal Super blendable makeup in the color Neutral. I just mix those so that I can make a nice shade for my skin tone. So that's just preference, you don't have to do that, you can just do what you gotta do with what you have, but I thought it was very like closer to my skin tone. So just to mention, these foundations are very affordable. They are drugstore products, so if you'd like, you can purchase them anywhere in any drugstore closer to you. Very affordable. So I am just gonna keep dabbing that on my face, and as you can see, I think it was almost getting to like my actual skin tone. So I'm just gonna blend that in, and you guys, as you can see, I was having the time of my life. I've been wanting to have this conversation for the longest time, and this live was really good. And if you guys want to know what we talked about in this live, you can go to Thokozile's page. She has the full live on her IG page. Her name is at Thokozile. I'll leave it in the description box down below, so make sure you're checking that out. It is very important that you check that video because we talked about a lot of topics. So I use my usual LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I'm just gonna put that under my eyes and the highest points of my face, just like so, and then I'm just gonna blend it out with a damp beauty blender and just get the concealer into the skin. So for my eyes, I took this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It is called the Modern Renaissance, and for my transition color, I took the Venetian Red and just dabbed it on like my crease and just get it in there. I was just doing this randomly, you guys. I didn't have a look in mind. This just came out just the way it came out, randomly. So after using that red color on my eyes, I then took Primavera from the same palette. It is like a shimmer, shiny, colorful color that's gonna just pop my eyes, just gonna add a little bit of shine and shimmer to my eyes. I just took that, but that part of the video had some other issues, so I couldn't show you guys, but basically I used only those two colors. And right now I'm just gonna make everything look smooth, nice and clean, and we're just gonna get straight into the lashes and everything else. So you guys, I used lashes that I got from Lashes by Aretha. That's their Instagram name. They are the ones that I've been using. They are very nice and reusable. That's the good thing about these lashes. So basically that's just it. I used my NYX setting spray just to set everything up, but that part of the video was missed too. I am really sorry about that, you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys like this look. This is the final look. So you guys, this is the final look. This is what I came up with, and I was actually impressed and happy about the look. I didn't do much, I didn't put too much effort, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.